Hello friends, today going to share chicken lollipop recipe. Okay, so for this recipe you need chicken drumstick kind of things you need. Okay, chicken leg piece you need. I have taken here 4 leg pieces. Then you need some ginger garlic onion paste and chili paste over here. I have added this paste in this, and you need some curds. Need some orange red food color. So I am adding it one by one. First I have to add little. Already I have added some, so I am adding a little more here. And you need some curds, not much. You need some lemon juice also if you want to add. I am not adding today. I am adding only curds. 2 tablespoons of curds you need, because you need marination for this recipe. Then you need also orange red food color. Okay, so please add this one. Very little you have to add to mix to give a nice color to it. Yes, this much is enough, I think. Now mix it properly. And mustard oil also you have to add. I have already added, so I am not adding now. So like this you have to marinate whole chicken pieces, chicken leg pieces only. Mix it properly so that the color and the marination ingredients should spread it out throughout the chicken leg piece. Yes, it is done. So you have to keep it in refrigerator to after marinations, means at least 2 hours marination needs for this recipe. Then what's the next procedure, I will tell you one by one. Okay. Hello friends, after 2 hours of marination you will get this kind of means leg pieces. So if you have to add little tandoori masala over here. So after adding tandoori masala you have to keep it for 1 hour more. So, and one more thing I need to say you that here the tandoori masala which I have used today, that is the brand one, the Everest brand one. You can use by your choice only, and say any brand you can use which flavor you like most. And homemade tandoori masala is also you can use. But today I am not using here homemade one. I will tell you which one means how to prepare homemade tandoori masala one day. So you have to marinate it properly. All over the chicken pieces you have to marinate the tandoori masala like this. It should go, and you have to make little. You have to pierce with a knife so that all the juices. All the juices go inside actually. So that is why I need one knife. This masala should get inside only. Like this you have to pierce. It's your choice where you have to prepare, in microwave or in gas stove. I will tell. Most probably today I am going to share with this way I am going to prepare it in gas stove. Or if it is microwave, then I will tell you what's the temperature I am using. Like this you have to pierce to get inside all the spices. Okay, so this is the thing you need to do before cooking. So that's all over. Now just wait for the cooking. You have to keep it for 1 hour. Then we will go for cook. Okay. Yes, now you have to roast it in tawa. So in tawa you have to add little ghee I always prefer ghee and butter both. Okay. So today I'm using ghee and butter only. If any oil made, then I will give it later. Otherwise, I will prepare it with the butter. It gives a nice flavor actually. That is why I'm using butter over here. Basically, in Mughlai dish, you should not. Since it's not there like that, they are using butter and all. But I prefer the smell of it. So nothing different if you use also. So you can try this with butter also. So now you have to add one by one the chicken pieces, marinated chicken pieces like this. You can see. See, it's a nice flavor is coming out. Sorry. All the marinated spices top of the chicken piece. Now let it cook for a few minutes like this. Afterwards you have to turn it back, and sometimes you can cover it with the lid also. Now I am not covering. After a few minutes I will cover it with the lid. Okay. Now you just cover it with the lid for a few minutes. Now you have to turn it back. So let it cook for a few minutes more with cover. A few minutes, so you can turn it back again. So all the sides should get roasted. In medium to low flame I am cooking this one, because you need to make this leg pieces soft inside also, so you have to, it should take time. You have to cook it more. So cover it again. So I think it is done now. You have to serve it in a plate with lemon edges, salad and raita. You can serve, and chutney also you can serve if you want. If you means green chutney, if you have done, so you can made, then you can use that chutney, green chutney. Goes very nice with this Tangri kebab or chicken lollipop. So please try this recipe. Okay, so let's serve it now. So friends, that is the recipe of Tangri kebab or chicken lollipop. You can try this recipe at home easily, and all the ingredients are available in market now. So serve it with salads and raita. So this is the recipe of Tangri kebab and chicken lollipop. Please try it and let me know how you liked it. And till then, again I will come back. Till then, take care and bye.